Welcome back, everybody. This is just a quick identification clip. It's very important for you to understand how to ID the difference between a king and a coho and a pink. The tail is the best way. If you just look at the tail, you can see the tail on the spots of a coho here. They're very translucent. There's very little spots in the lower lobe, and there's only a few in the top lobe of this coho. With the king salmon, you can really see the tail spots. On the top and the lower lobe of the tail will be very, very dark spots, very easy to tell. With the pink salmon, it's very similar to the king salmon. There's spots on the top and the lower lobe of the tail. So you can identify the king, the pink, and the coho very easily by just looking at the tail on that coho. They're translucent, very small scales, and the king has got bigger scales with lots of spots, and the pink salmon, very easy to identify between the coho and the pink. They start getting a hump on the back, as well as they're a lot greener versus chrome.
This is a classic day, bro. Yeah, dude. It's gonna make great video.